to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is FemMNY. If you're new here, we're glad to have you here, and if you're subscribed already, thank you guys so much for coming back, and thank you for watching. For today's video, I'll be making this beautiful and simple balloon made of this Tuftex balloon. It's 11 inches, and also a different balloon. This is 5 inches. And this balloons right here is the same as this, but it looks wrinkled because I recycled this from our previous video. So we only need 5 of this balloon. This is 11 inches. You can also use 10 or 11 or 12. Okay, we will inflate this to 8 inches. Like that. Tie this together. And then the last one. So the last one, I will tie it to the other two. And it becomes 3. Grab your quad and connect them. It comes like this. All right, so I'm gonna put this on the side. I will inflate our 5 inches balloon, and our 5 inches balloon will inflate this to 4 inches, just like that. Tie this together. Now make this flat. This in the center. Wrap this here. There. One is on this side and one on the other side. And there goes your flower balloon. It's very nice and simple, and it's very easy to make. Alright guys, this is how you make your simple flower balloon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye.